parents, it's Gracie with WTI. E-bikes are becoming more and more popular, and it can be a little scary when your little toddler asks you to ride one. Well, now you don't have to be nervous at all. We got these training wheels from Hardline for our Orion RXB-eForce electric bike, and we have been thoroughly impressed by the safety and stability of it. It has high quality 4-ply pneumatic wheels, which we feel are more durable than solid rubber tires. And the 8-inch wheels are attached to a solid steel axle, which mounts to the foot peg frame bracket. Plus, they have sealed ball bearings on the wheels. Parents, that means little to no maintenance. These training wheels are definitely built to last. If you've ever ridden an e-bike, it can definitely be a little nerve-wracking at first because of how fast it can go. And even though I'm too big for it, I rode this bike and I was so impressed at how smooth the ride was and how comfortable and safe I felt on it. These training wheels respond immediately to your every move, and we love that they have a wide stance to them, making them that much more stable. And the best part about these is they are completely adjustable. So as your little one gets more advanced and more confident, you can rotate the axle, which will adjust the height of the wheels to help them learn how to balance the bike on its own over time. Installation and making these adjustments is super easy. All the directions are nice and clear, and they even have a video that shows step-by-step instructions. So if you're looking for training wheels, Hardline also has universal kits as well. So you can definitely have confidence as a parent knowing that these will keep your little one safe. And that's my point of view.